Hi everyone, I am Vidya. Welcome back to my channel Vidya Ka Gyan. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the latest video update. Known as the Temple City of India, Tamil Nadu is a place in South India where the elaborate architecture and brilliant sculpture of its ancient temples leave all its tourists spellbound with their astounding beauty. With almost all the temples built during historic and medieval time, a trip to these temples provides you with a deep insight into brilliant architectural, sculptural, and artistic skills of the engineers, architects, and artisans of the bygone time. These temples also showcase the opulent and the lavish taste of the erstwhile royal kings, be it Pallavas, Cholas, or Nayakas. Standing tall as the backbone of Tamil culture, these temples are to India's precious jewel, adding to its rich heritage. Here are some famous temples of Tamil Nadu that not only provides you with a great spiritual experience but also give you chance to revel for their mesmerizing designs, still speaking stories of their glorious past.
Brideshwar Temple, one of the largest temple in India, the Brideshwar Temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva and is located in the Tanjore district of Tamil Nadu. Built under the region of Chola dynasty in 11th century AD, the temple stands tall as a testimony to the opulence and grandeur of Chola rulers. Today, the temple enjoys the status of UNESCO World Heritage Site under the list of great living Chola temples and is visited by hundreds of thousands of devotees and tourists every year. The Brideshwar temple was another feather to it with an acclaim of being the world's first temple completely built from granite. Kapaleshwar Temple, located in the Malaipur district of Chennai, the Kapaleshwar Temple was built under the region of the Pallava king during 7th century CE. However, the temple structures that stand today date back to 16th century CE, owing to the fact that the original structure was devastated by the Portuguese, and it was 16th century that Vijayanagar king brought the temple back to its pristine splendor. Dedicated to Lord Shiva, who is revived here in form of Kapaleshwar, the temple is one of the significant pilgrimage sites in Tamil Nadu for the Savior, attracting hordes of devotees every day. Adorned with huge rainbow color gopuram, pillar hall and a water body, Kapaleshwar temple present a fine example of true Dravidian style. Jambukeshwar Temple, another famous temple located on the Srirangam island of Tamil Nadu, is the Jambukeshwar Temple, dedicated to Lord Shiva. Dating back to the Chola era, the temple again represents a Dravidian style of architecture with seven-tiered gopuram adorned with delicate carvings. There are 5 enclosures inside the temple, with the innermost being the main scantum housing the Shivling in the form of Appulingam. There is an underground stream flowing underneath the Shivling from which water continuously flow out. Ekambareshwar Temple, yet another beautiful and famous temple in Tamil Nadu. The Ekambareshwar Temple attracts thousands of pilgrims and other tourists from different parts of India and abroad. Counted amongst 5 Panchabhut Sthal, the temple is dedicated to the element earth and holds a great religious significance for devotees of Lord Shiva. The temple is believed to have been existing since 600 AD, but the present structure is said to be dating back to 11th to 12th centuries. The architect of temple showcase a signature Shivite structure. The 1000 pillar hall adorning carvings of 1008 Shivlings is believed to add by Vijayanagar king during 15th century. The inner scantum houses the Prithvi Lingam, also the sacred mango tree, believed to be more than 3000 years old, can be seen in the temple premises. The speciality of the tree is that it bears 4 different types of mangoes in 4 different seasons in the year. Thilai Nataraj Temple, dedicated to Lord Shiva in the form of Nataraj or the cosmic dancer. The Thilai Nataraj Temple is one of the most ancient temple of Tamil Nadu, known for both religious and architectural significance. The temple is believed to have been built during the time of Pallava rule in 11th century, and further renovations were made during Cholas, Pandyas, Vijayanagar region. The Nataraj temple is also one of the Panchbhut Sthal, with each one dedicated to five elements of universe: earth, air, water, fire and space. This temple signifies the fifth element, space. The lofty gopuram of the temple, ornamented with carvings of Hindu god, various manifestation of Lord Shiva and dancer representing 108 posture of Bharatnatyam, are also a sight to behold. Rangnath Swami Temple, dedicated to Lord Vishnu. The Rangnath Swami Temple, located on the Srirangam island of Tiruchirappalli city in Tamil Nadu, is another masterpiece of the Dravidian architecture. Spread across an area of over 150 acres, the temple has 49 sub-shrines and is dotted with 21 brilliant gopurams, with the main or the Raja Gopuram standing tall at 236 feet, making it the tallest in Asia. The temple also has 7 prakhars or enclosures, with the presiding deity of Lord Vishnu in the form of Lord Rangnath Swami reclining on 5-headed serpent and shrine in the innermost prakhar. The tower above the innermost prakhar is in the shape of Om and is completely plated in the gold. Counted as the first amongst the 108 Diyas Disham, a holy abode of Lord Vishnu, the temple draws uncountable pilgrims and tourists every year. Ramnath Swami Temple, one of the 4 primary pilgrims destination for all Hindu across the world, the Ramnathan Swami Temple is swarmed by hordes of pilgrims every day. Beside being one of the holy Char Dham, the temple is also counted amongst the 12 sacred Jyotirling of Lord Shiva. Located on the Shrine island of Rameshwaram in Tamil Nadu, the structure of this temple is believed to have been built 12th century CE by the Pandya rulers. The tallest of its gopurams stands at the height of 126 feet meters and is built in a typical Dravidian style. The temple is also acknowledged for housing longest corridor hall in India, made of almost 1,000 intricately carved granite pillars. A colossal statue of Nandi, 6 meters tall, also grabs attention of many. Nagaraj Temple, located in the Nagarkoil town of Kanyakumari district in Tamil Nadu, the Nagaraj Temple is dedicated to the serpent king Vasuki. The presiding deity of this temple is the 5-headed snake god and is visited by the hordes of devotees, especially on Sunday when special puja is performed, offering milk and turmeric to the deity. The temple sees an uncountable footfall of people suffering from Nag dosha during the Tamil month of Avni, when some distinct rituals are performed for 12 days. The architecture of the temple is quite simple, with scores of sculptures and images of different snakes adorning the wall, trees and pond around. The main scantum enshrines the deity is guarded by 2 huge statues of 5-headed serpents. Inside the temple premises, you will also find Shivling and the idol of Vishnu in the form of Minakshi and her consort Lord Shiva in the form of Lord Sundareshwar. The Minakshi temple is one of the most ancient and famous temple not only in Tamil Nadu but in entire India. According to historical and archaeological record, the temple was originally built around 6th century AD, and the major portion of it was damaged in 14th century by the Muslim invader in India. The present structure of the temple dates back to 16th century, when it was again restored to its pristine glory by the Nayak rulers. The temple is a masterpiece of Dravidian architecture. The richly sculptured and decorated gopurams of the temple are its major highlights and can be seen from even a far off distance. Adorned with thousands of figures of god, goddess and demons, The Meenakshi temple is no less than architectural marvel. Kanchi Kailashnath temple, located in Kanchipuram district of Tamil Nadu, the Kanchi Kailashnath temple is another of the most famous pilgrim center in South India. Dating back to 7th century, early 8th century, the temple is believed to have been built under the region of Pallava dynasty. Carved entirely out of sandstone, the temple is the oldest temple in Tamil Nadu, dedicated to Lord Shiva, with its main scantum enshrining a 16-sided shivling made up of black granite. The architecture of the temple again showcases a brilliant Dravidian style with a delicately carved pyramidal shape, towers on the main scantum, and 58 small Shiva shrines enclosed inside the complex.
Thanks for watching. If you found this information helpful, do like, do comment, and new viewers, do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the latest video update. You can also follow me on Instagram. Till then, bye friends, see you in the next video.